When working with line art, you can create some very nice engraved effects. First, I'll flatten the image to get a white background. Then I'll use a feathered lasso to select a part of the image where I want to have the engraving effect. Create a new layer with the blend mode set to multiply. Then use the gradient tool to drag across the selection so that the shadows originate from the point where you want the engraved lines to appear. And deselect. Select the Andromeda Cut Line filter. You'll see that the cut lines emanate from the shadows. Choose an appropriate LPI to suit the effect. Then experiment with the engraving style. If you choose either of the last two options, you can reset the originating point with the stamper tool. Once you have access to the stamper tool, you can also adjust the curvature in angle. Click OK when you're satisfied. And there it is. Here I've added more such engraved effects to complete the picture. With each selection I made, I was able to vary its appearance by changing the gradient styles and placement. I even used the radial gradient to produce some of these effects. I could vary the density of the hatched lines by clicking on the more or less thumbnails in the filter. And here we have this composite engraved effect. Finally, use the eraser to clean up the halo artifacts left over by the soft-edged selection. And here we have our finished engraving.